Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm taking unit 3, that is a probability and probability distribution. So in my previous video I've taken examples related to binomial distribution 1 and 2 sums. I've left the link in the description below, so if you haven't watched it, please go back to my previous video and watch that. So in this particular video I'll be looking into the third sum of binomial distribution. So the question is, out of 800 families with 5 children each, how many would you expect to have? 3 boys, 5 girls, either 2 or 3 boys. Assume equal probability for boys and girls. Now this is a very simple, also important question. So solution. First, what they're telling us over here is, there is 800 families with 5 children each. Now this 5 will be a small n and 800 will be our big N. So N is equal to 800. Small n and capital N. Then they have given over here, assume equal probability for boys and girls. Now equal probability is P is equal to 0.5, Q is equal to 0.5. Now where we'll take P, the probability of boys, and Q, probability of girls. Because over here they have told that assume equal probability for boys and girls, so boys will be 0.5, girls will be 0.5. So then now we'll proceed with the sum. Over here A, they have given that to have 3 boys. Now this 3 means, in our formula, if you remember, P of R is equal to NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R. Now in this formula the R will be 3. So here they have given R is equal to 3. Now we have to just substitute the values in the formula. That is, P of 3 is equal to N is 5, 5C3, RP is 0.5 raised to 3, RQ is 0.5 raised to N minus R, that is 5 minus 3, which is 2. Now we can remove the answer in the calci. I am writing the answer over here. You can please try it once. It is 0.3125. Now if you see over here, they are telling 5 children each, means in each family it is 5 children. So then for 800 families we have to find. That is, over here what will we do? 0.3125 into 800. For 800 families we have to find. For 800 families. Okay. So we'll find the answer will be 250. You can try it in calci. So now we'll go to the second part, that is 5 girls. Now this you can solve it by yourself. You can pause the video and solve the sum by yourself. This is as simple as that. Now our B is 5 girls. So for 5 girls, as usual, R will be 5 and we can solve the entire sum. That is, P of 5 is equal to 5C5, 0.5 raised to 5, then 0.5 raised to 5 minus 5, 0. Now the answer over here I am writing. You can try it once in calci. It is 0.0312. Now we have to find, now this is for one particular family. Now we have to find for 800 family. That will be 0.0312 into 800. Now you can solve this and I leave this to you. You have to complete this. Then we have the last case, that is the C. Now this says either 2 or 3 boys. Either 2 or 3 boys. Now for this we will have P of 2 plus P of 3. Now either 2 or 3 they are telling. So it will be P of 2 plus P of 3. Now OR means addition. So the similar way we can write the formulas. That is, for P of 2 it will be 5C2, 0.5 raised to 2, 0.5 raised to 3. Now plus for P of 3, it will be 5C3, 0.5 raised to 3 and 0.5 raised to 2. Because 5 minus 3 is 2, it is 0.623. This is the answer. You have to solve it by yourself. Okay, now for 800 families. Now this we have to solve for one particular family. Now for 800 family, we have to just multiply this with 800. 0.623 into 800. The answer is 500. So this is the final answer. So that is it for today, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, I'll be taking another topic related to probability distribution. Also, I upload videos every Monday to Saturday. So until then, keep watching. Thank you.